Dear children, dear children, dear children, dear children, when you get up in the morning, when you get up in the morning, say La ilaha illallah, say La ilaha illallah. When you meet someone, when you meet someone, say Assalamu alaikum, say Assalamu alaikum. When you see someone elder, when you see someone elder, you stand in respect, you stand in the respect. When you start your meal, when you start your meal, say Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim, say Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. When you finish your meal, when you finish your meal, say Shukr Alhamdulillah, say Shukr Alhamdulillah. When you say bye bye someone, when you say bye bye someone, say Khuda Hafiz, say Khuda Hafiz.